Hi, my name is Gigi Tapa, and I just recently received my score report from USMLE, and I passed my USMLE Step 2 CS. Whoop, whoop. Uh, and this was not my first attempt. My first attempt was when I studied on my own and used Step 2 CS, first aid. However, I didn't really know how to study for this exam. I just went with what everybody said. Just go through this book and you should be fine. It works for some people doesn't, and it didn't work for me. However, my second attempt, I was very anxious. I was looking for ways because the ICE component of the exam was the portion that I struggled with the most. So searching the web, I came across of Amazon with the Target USMLE book, and then looking through this book, I found a website, and the website got me in contact with Dr. June. That's the writer of the book. And she has a review course called Target USMLE, which I scheduled like a Skype call where she did an assessment to see where I was and what I was struggling with. So we did a case, and from that case, I was able to sign up for the comprehensive course with Target USMLE. And during that course, we were able to address whatever issues that I was struggling with. So we worked on my questioning and assessed if my question were differential oriented, and then if I was really truly my data gathering was good enough to be translated in the patient note, because that's what I was struggling with. And then we worked on that, and we did a lot of cases, and I saw myself improving, and I was able to apply my medical knowledge in a clinical setting more efficiently than I did before, because that gap was what was preventing me for doing well on my CS in my patient encounter and translating the exam. And after working with Dr. June, I was able to understand that and then apply that very well. As a result, on my second attempt at USMLE CS, I was able to pass the exam with flying colors. And for people out there looking or stressing about how to approach CS, maybe you should contact Target USMLE, and then they can work with you and help you or answer whatever questions you have regarding the exam. Thanks.